Let's welcome Emma Shadika on stage. Hello everyone, my name is Sadika. I am studying UKG in our Shanti Niketa English Medium School, Gorenta, are telling about sentences. Hello everyone, my name is Hama. I am studying UKG in our Shanti Niketa English Medium School, Gorenta. Today I telling about sentences. What is this? This is a fox. What is that? That is a peacock. What is this? This is a mango. What is that? That is a lotus. What is this? This is a tiger. What is that? That is a carrot. What is this? This is the custard apple. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.